everyone, welcome back to my video. My name is Zahwa Amelia Putri with student ID number 632508070 and I'm from class 63.2C.07. And this video is submitted as my project for the midterm exam in the Advanced English course. This project is divided into two parts. In part 1, we will explore the rich culture and flavors in the incredible diversity of Indonesian cuisine. Then, in part 2, we will dive into an educational session as I present a material on countable notes. So, without further ado, let's get started. Hi everyone, today I want to share my thoughts on something that I'm really passionate about, the incredible diversity of Indonesian cuisine. To me, Indonesian food is not just about filling our stomach. It is a delicious journey through our rich culture and history. With over 17,000 islands and hundreds of ethnic groups, it's no surprise that our culinary world is so colorful. What makes it fascinating is how different the flavors are from one region to another. For example, if you go to Sumatra, you will find bold, rich, and spicy flavors like the famous rendang from Padang. But if you travel to Central Java, the taste shifts to something more sweet and comforting like gudeg from Jogja. Then if you move to Eastern Indonesia like Sulawesi or Papua, you will experience a completely different vibe with fresh seafood, sambal dabu-dabu, and unique staples like papeda. Every dish tells a story of the local people, the land, and the spices they use. In a world full of modern fast food, but I truly believe our traditional cuisine is our true identity. It's a universal language that brings all Indonesians together, no matter where we come from. When we sit at the dinner table, food unites us. So let's be proud of our food, keep exploring local dishes, and share this richness with the world. Thank you for the listening and what's your favorite Indonesian food? Bye. Hi everyone, still with me. For the next, I will explain about countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count easily in English. We often use them in daily conversation. What is countable noun? Countable noun is a noun that can be counted with number, such as 1, 2, or 3. These nouns have singular forms for one object and plural forms for more than one object. For example, 1 book, 2 apples, or 3 students. Next. Singular and plural. Singular nouns are used for one object only, and plural nouns are used for more than one object. Usually, we add s or es to make plural nouns. For example, a cat, a pencil, cats, or pencils. Next, forming plural nouns. To make plural nouns, most words only need s. Some nouns need es, especially words ending in s, x, sh, or ch. There are also irregular changes in some words. For example, book to books, car to cars, box to box, bus to buses, baby to babies, etc. Next, using many and few. We use many to talk about a large number of countable nouns. We use few to talk about small numbers of countable nouns. For example, many books, many students, quantifiers for countable nouns, and few chairs. Many and few are quantifiers used to show large, large or small amounts of countable nouns. Besides many and few, there are other quantifiers such as some, a lot of, and several that are also used to explain quantity in different ways. Quantifiers are words used to show the amount or quantity of countable nouns. Some means an unspecified amount, a lot of means many, and several means more than a few. For example, some books, a lot of apples, or several pencils. Next, example sentence. The sentence show how countable nouns are used in everyday English. We can see numbers and quantity words used with the nouns. For example, I have 3 books, he buys 2 orange, there are many students in the class. Next, countable versus uncountable noun. Countable noun can be counted directly using numbers, while uncountable nouns can't be counted directly because they are usually liquids, gases, or abstract things. For example, countable apples, books, or chairs. Uncountable water, milk, sugar. This exercise helps us practice using countable nouns correctly in sentence. I have 2 books, she buys 3 apples, and there are many students. Conclusion. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted clearly. They have singular and plural forms. We can use numbers and quantifiers such as many, few, some, several, and a lot of with countable nouns. Countable nouns are commonly used in daily English conversation and sentence. In conclusion, countable nouns are very important in English grammar because they help us explain quantity clearly. By understanding countable nouns and their quantifiers, we can make better and more correct English sentence in daily communication. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation about countable nouns. I hope this material can help you understand countable nouns better and use them correctly in English. See you and have a nice day.